to learn art and music and dance and still teach physics and chemistry and maths and whatever it is. The advantage that traditional games offers us is very little to learn. It is instinctive and quick to learn. Now, some may argue that traditional games are not art and don't really fit into the gambit of this talk today. But I choose to disagree because from my research, I've discovered that games are merely a creative response to human thinking and life. I'd like you all to think about a black and white checkered floor. You take 5 children anywhere in the world and leave them in a room with a black and white checkered floor. Half an hour later, they would have come up with a game, hopping from one square to another, hopping only on the white squares or hopping only on the black squares. And this is universal. And we have tried this. We've tried it in different countries and the response is similar. And that's the beauty of traditional games. They're a human response to life around us. All games are a response to life, whether it's today's online games that are a, effort to escape the stresses of the world, or a Monopoly, which is the infrastructure and building boom. Traditional games were a human response to life. And so everyone can play. It doesn't matter what your age, what your background, what your education, but everyone can play. To me, that is art.
No need, because India is our proud, our flag is also our proud. So this is, you can integrate with this theme. Now, flip learning, I have done one in standard 12, that is differential equation, that is mosquito in culture and rate of change in art. Integrate with biology, focusing on the application of differential equation in daily life and conveying message to society through a puppet show. You know that before few days, dengue, malaria was spread more. So in that view, I prepared this one. Ma'am, please you play this one. One video, I will skip. Play this video.
She really has a very clear कैसे concept को समझना even कल वो अकाउंट्स वाले ने कुछ नहीं किया
Student in hands-on interactive experience to enhance understanding of concept. You can integrate with any subject with this toy-based learning. I am giving the training to the teachers for the same. Any subject you can integrate this one. Basically in literature subject this is difficult to explain all these things. Student will enjoy if you tell them to prepare toys and explain them. Give them opportunity, they can also explain, engage them in this way. You can see puppets are prepared by the students only. Now, this is one cooperative learning, create various type of cap that integrate concept of different polygons. Also giving training to the teacher. So you can use it in all standard students, middle class, polygon and different type of quadrilateral also. You know that in India, we are using different type of caps. In Haryana, Maharashtra and shapes, you can see in a cabin crew, they are also using one type of caps. Mahatma Gandhi also used one type of cap, it is used in Gujarat. That is hands-on activity. You can create a 3D object and find surface area and volume, and you can also sell it. You can also integrate with commerce, business study, economics and accountancy. This you can see the small mat using tessellation technique with coconut leaves. The bags they are preparing with mathematical concept for enrichment. You can see they creating, exploring polyhedron to understand their properties. Beautiful domes they prepared. You can see the home decor item using waste material, integrating the concept of conic section with STEM framework done by standard 11 student. The woods, the waste material and that lines that is light lamp they prepared. Now it is parabola you are using in standard 11, teaching the concept of parabola through pencil art, enhancing understanding through visual representation. Some beautiful ladies sitting here use the Judah pins, but I use as a teaching tool to explain in the concept of the parabola. You can see parabola is difficult. आपने बहुत सारे जो झूला लक्ष्मण झूला and राम झूला देखे होंगे. This is the concept from this. There are 4 types of parabola with their directrix and axis, focus point. वो नथ जो मैंने बनाया है वो नथ है, that is focus. And the chain connected, this is the distance from the origin to the focus, and directrix and axis are 2 pins. As for the movement of the face, automatically the directrix and axis will change. You can see in the picture there are 4 diagrams. The third one is matching with my pencil art. You can see again this trigonometric only sine function, but different sine function in higher standard. Sine x, sine 2x, sine x upon 2, 2 sine x. You just change the graph of this. In this way they design and they understand. You can see binomial theorem is one topic in standard 11, and binomial theorem we are using the Pascal triangle. It is difficult to remember the coefficient of the term because as per the power of this binomial theorem, the terms will increase. So if you just see the second diagram, you can see if you will add from the beginning 1, then 1, 1, then 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. This is the pyramid. You can see in this way you can remember the technique. Now you see I connect with the nature. You just see that Hans deer. I connected the binomial expansion. We can see this binomial expansion, that is Pascal's triangle in our nature. You can see this is also. You can connect. This is the tangent in standard 10. And you can see this is a set Venn diagram with art integration with the concept of sets. This is storytelling method, relation and function. And yesterday one teacher said the trigonometry is difficult. If you will teach in this way, it is not difficult. It is a storytelling method. Tell them to plot the picture and automatically they will solve the problem. Thank you so much. Thank you.
As you all know, the monsoon season has started and rain is showering every day. And the foodie inside you might be getting crazy about the pakoras. Now, along with this craziness, do not forget the news headlines you read every single day about the increase in the number of cases related to mosquito diseases. Now, in this season, the mosquitoes breed at a very high rate, and the number of cases of mosquito-related diseases has also increased drastically. And when we talk about the change of something, we also delve into a topic called differential equation.
Sound is 1 lakh, then a parent. So it is log 1 lakh over by log 1.1.
अरे लोई भैया अरे लुई भैया, इधर कैसे?
अरे आप क्या बताऊं, जहाँ मैं वहाँ मैं और मेरे दोस्त।
अरे लुई भैया, आप आ गए दूसरों को परेशान करने।
बारिश का मौसम आया तो अब मच्छर और हम इंसानों की परेशानी शुरू।
हाँ जी हाँ, बिल्कुल सही बात है।
अरे सुनो सुनो, आया है मौसम बारिश का, बचकर है ना, लुई और उसके दोस्त है हर जगह।
अरे लुई भैया, बताना जरा कैसे फैलती है आपसे ये खतरनाक बीमारियाँ?
हाँ बच्चों, तुम्हें पता है मेरे और मेरे दोस्तों के कारनामे हैं। मच्छर और हम भैया फैलाते हैं डिसीज बड़े नाम वाले।
With the onset of monsoon and your increasing love for pakoras, do not forget to protect yourself from the harmful mosquitoes and also take preventive measures.
Indeed, mommy, prevention is better than cure, and by doing these little things, you can protect yourself from.
Here you can see we integrate maths with biology and social awareness through puppets. So English can integrate with dialogue writing, voice modulation, etc. Thank you so much.